Following some more breaking news tonight, a hearing just wrapped up as the woman charged with killing her Boston police officer boyfriend returned to court today. Karen Reed is charged with second-degree murder in the death of John O'Keefe. Today, the judge considered an order that would require the attorneys involved to limit their public comments as the high-profile case garners national attention. Our Bianca Beltran has the latest from outside court in Dedham. Bianca.
And Priscilla, today prosecutors argued that the defense attorneys have taken a trial by media strategy by sharing what they call unsubstantiated claims that could influence the potential juror pool when this case goes to trial. And today we saw that not only have the details of this investigation gotten a lot of attention and spread online, but they've also prompted fervent response from some of the public today. In court, family and friends of Boston police officer John O'Keefe wore buttons that read "Justice for JJ." In January of last year, O'Keefe was found dead in the snow outside of a home in Canton. His girlfriend, Karen Reed, is charged with his murder, accused of hitting him with her SUV.
I want justice for John O'Keefe. He was a good man.
William Reed says his daughter is innocent.
There's a level of corruption going on here. I know so much about this case. I know so much about the evidence that I can't say here. There is enough reasonable doubt to dismiss this case and pursue, what happened to John O'Keefe.
Tuesday afternoon, Reed was received at the courthouse by dozens of supporters who believed the defense attorney's allegations of a cover-up among law enforcement investigating the case.
Because it's obvious with all the evidence that she didn't do it. From where the body was placed, from where she dropped him off, it didn't happen that way.
It brings tears to my eyes. It's not right. It's horrible. The truth needs to come out.
Prosecutors argued the defense's unfounded claims and public sharing of details about the case could jeopardize a fair trial. They requested a so-called gag order to limit the attorney's comments outside of court.
In relation to certain witnesses within this case, has then subsequently caused those witnesses to receive harassing phone calls, people driving by their homes, other harassment and essentially intimidation.
Now, in a separate motion heard in court today, defense attorneys requested that Judge Beverly Cannoni recuse herself from the case because of allegations of a possible connection to the case. Now, the judge has denied any connection or bias and declined to recuse herself from the case. Now, she has not issued a decision on that request to limit public comments from the attorneys, but we do know that the next hearing for this case is scheduled in mid-September. Reporting in Dedham, I'm Bianca Beltran, NBC 10 Boston.